Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your USAA account step by step clearly. To activate your USAA account, start by visiting the official USAA website. Look for the login section on the home page. Click on the option that says Register for online access. You will be directed to the registration page. Enter your personal information as requested. This typically includes your social security number and date of birth. Next, provide your USAA member number or your bank account number. Once you've filled in the required fields, click on the Continue button. Follow the prompts to create your username and password. Make sure to choose a secure password that meets the requirements. After creating your login credentials, you may need to verify your identity. This could involve answering security questions or receiving a verification code via email or text. Check your email or phone for the code, and enter it in the designated field. Once your identity is verified, you'll be able to complete the registration process. Review the terms and conditions, and accept them to proceed. You will be notified when your account is successfully activated. Now you can log in with your new username and password. Explore the features available through your USAA account. You are now ready to manage your finances efficiently. Enjoy the benefits of your USAA membership. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.